Hi there, it's Jay here from One Naira Crypto Farm. Here I'm going to teach you on how to be eligible for Teneo Protocol Airdrop. So presently I'm on the Teneo Protocol's website. So we're just going to go through the website to see what Teneo Protocol is all about. So let's just scroll down a bit. So okay, just a little bit. Teneo Protocol is a blockchain technology that helps let's say generate bandwidth from unused bandwidth from social media or other networking channels to convert into points that we can earn from. So as you can see, these are the 3 steps to join and earn from Teneo Protocol. You have to install the Teneo Protocol's Chrome extension. Either you download it on your desktop or on your smartphone, then you connect to the community and you start earning your points. So after the TGE, that is the token generation event, you can convert Teneo Protocol is going to be converted, the points will be converted to Teneo tokens. Okay, so why should you join? You want to join because you want to earn rewards effortlessly. That is, you'll be getting paid in Teneo tokens for simply running a node that accesses public social media data. And also, it's easy to set up and privacy protection is guaranteed. So you don't really have to be a tech savvy before you can install Teneo Protocol. Not like other crypto farming nodes that are a bit technical, but this is very, very easy to set up. And also, you want to be a part of the future. Running a Teneo Protocol's node, you're helping to build a decentralized network where data is no longer monopolized by the big tech companies. You are the owner of your data. All right, so this is how to install this. You just have to download the Chrome extension and you pin it. That is, you have to pin it to your extension bar and then you start earning it. All you just have to do is to connect to the internet, then you start earning the Teneo points. Okay, so like you to go through the docs. Okay, let's just scroll up a bit. All right, so Teneo Protocol is a blockchain startup that is revolutionizing how real-world data is utilized and monetized. Teneo unlocks previously inaccessible data and seamlessly integrates it into the Web3 ecosystem. So these nodes target data pools behind paywalls or currently out of reach. That is your data that is out of reach that you are not using. So that is what this node targets. And from this, you're going to generate your points. The vision of Teneo Protocol is to create a revolution on how data owners can use and monetize their real-world data, turning it into a valuable asset that can be bought, sold, or traded. So that is just the vision of this project. The Teneo token is a native token of the Teneo Protocol. Users initially earn Teneo points. That is what we'll be doing now. By the time you start running your node, what you'll be getting is the Teneo points. These points will be converted into Teneo token later. That is going to be after the TGE. Okay, so what's the token utility? So first one is rewards. Users earn Teneo tokens by sharing their social media bandwidth, fueling ecosystem growth. And also access to data. Companies and developers pay in Teneo to access real-time social media streams. Likewise, staking, node operations, and token buybacks. And also, Teneo products. Teneo has the Teneo community node, which we'll be using to generate the Teneo points. Also, it has API access to public social media data and tokenization platform. Also, DePIN data SDK. Real-time sentiment analysis is going to be an interest to data analysts and scientists, and it has token price prediction, which is also part of data science and AI model training. community engagement monitoring, marketing insight for Web2 companies, market sentiment tracking for liquidity, event impact tracking. All right, so what we're going to do now is to download the node extension. I already have the node extension on my desktop, so you're going to click on the download node extension. I'm going to provide the link in the description. So once you click on the Chrome extension link, this is going to bring you here to this Chrome web store page. So you can see I already have Teneo Protocol community node installed, so that's why I hold the community node, and you can see it says remove from Chrome. So the button here for you is going to be add Chrome extension. So once you click on the button, it's going to download Teneo community node, and you're going to install it on your Chrome browser. So you can see this is the Teneo community node here. This is the icon for the Teneo protocols node. You can click on it. I already have it running, and for you, let me just log out. Okay, so this is the authentication page for Teneo Protocol node. So for you, you're just going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're going to enter your mail, a password, and you confirm your password. Then you're going to paste the referral code that I'm going to provide for you. So you're going to copy and paste my referral code here in this tab. Then you have to create an account. All right. Ensure you use a legitimate and an active email account, because you're going to verify your email address after signing up. Okay, so after signing in, then you need to come back down to the icon, click on it. Then you have to connect your node. So by connecting your node, you start getting your points. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, here on the dashboard, here are the things you're going to do. Head over to rewards. So here you need to link your wallet. Click on link now, and after linking your wallet, you're going to get 50,000 Teneo points. So you click on connect, and also you have to sign, that is, you have to authorize Teneo to use your wallet. Then you confirm. So Teneo protocol uses BNB smart chain. So as you can see, my wallet linkage is completed. Then also you have to engage to Twitter. So you have to connect your wallet before you connect your X account. So I'm trying to connect my So I'm connecting my MetaMask. Then you have to sign to verify your wallet, and then confirm. Then it says your wallet is verified. Then you have to click connect X, then authorize app. After you have connected your Twitter account, you see this list of required tasks. You have to follow Teneo Protocol on Twitter. You have to like it. You have to like Teneo Protocol's tweet, and also you can tweet a tweet by Teneo Protocol. So let's do the first one. Do I follow Teneo Protocol? But let's do that. So you click follow Teneo Protocol. You can see I'm already following Teneo Protocol. You can see the first task has been checked. It has been marked as completed. Then click on the next one. Okay, you have to like this post. Done. And also, okay, let's retweet. Okay, then the last task is to retweet a tweet by Teneo Protocol. So do that. All right, all the 3 tasks are completed. Then I'm going to click on this recapture. I'm not a robot. And submit. Okay. All right. Back to the dashboard. The last task on the rewards page is to connect to Discord. So I'm going to click that. Connect to Discord. Then you have to scroll down. Okay. Click on connect Discord. It's going to take us to Discord authentication page. Okay, this is the Discord authentication page. You have to scroll down and authorize. Ensure you always sign to verify your wallet. Make sure your wallet is always verified. Then you have to click on the captcha check mark. You can see it says I'm already joined. Then you click on submit. Then click back to dashboard. Ensure you claim your points after you have completed all the tasks. See, successfully claimed points. The point is going to reflect after 48 hours due to traffic. So below this we have connectivity streak. So the first day you're going to have 2,500 points. In 7 days you get 10,000 points. 14 days you have 25,000 points, and in 30 days you have 50,000 points. So these are the rewards. And also when you scroll down we have the referral levels. Level 1 5,000, level 2 you have another 5,000, level 3 10,000, level 4 10,000, and level 5 25,000. You can see each level is having different referral numbers. We have for the level 1 we have 5, level 2 10, level 3 20, level 4 30, and level 5 50. Okay, so that's all about Teneo Protocol. In addition to that, you have to keep your device active. That is, you have to be connected to the internet. The more active you are, the more points you are going to earn. Thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye.